We got a 2023 Mazda Cx-5 key fob here. I'm going to show you how to open it up to replace the battery. This is very simple with this remote. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver, a little small one. Okay, so with the controller in your hand like this, with the Mazda sign facing out towards us, we're going to take this panel off. All you got to do is get your small flathead screwdriver, go after the corner here, put it right in like that. It should just go right in. Give it a twist, and then we'll unlock it. Okay, and it will just come right off. Pry it off like that. It's meant to come off like that. Then we're going to take this cover off right here, flathead screwdriver in this corner here. Just take this guy off just like that. Here's our battery. You can use one of these slots here. Go ahead and pry the battery out. Show you what size the battery is. Battery is going to be a Cr-2032 battery. Positive sign facing out towards us. Goes in the bottom first. Locks in like that. Then we get the cover, stick it back on here, and I'll just lock on here. Here's the size again, Cr-2032. If you need a battery, I'll have a link to Amazon down in the description box if you need a battery. Now the cover itself, it does have a little foot on the top here, so make sure you put it in the right way. And there is a hole right here. Just line those guys up, and you just snap this all back on, and you're good to go. Hope the video was helpful, and was. Appreciate it. Hit that like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, and hope to see you again in another video.